Meaning of filling.
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 Filling. Filling refers to the act of inserting or adding a substance, such as a material or food, into a cavity or space. The result of filling is typically to make the object or space more complete or full. For example, filling in a hole with dirt or filling a container with water. In dentistry, filling refers to restoring a decayed tooth by applying a material, such as metal or composite, to fill the cavity and prevent further damage. Overall, filling is a common action that can have various applications in different contexts.